I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Joi App. So as you can see, guys, we have nothing but now unlimited coins options available. So I'm going to press unlock and let's see if it adds the coins to my device. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load up, as you can see. All right, applying. Okay, so it's going to load right now. So we'll just give it a second and then we're done. So, all right, let's see if it adds the coins. It says it was added. So let's see if they go up. You can see the current amount. And then we should, yes, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. If you guys are broke, you got to try this. It's super cool. So let's get into it. So what you have to do is go to tweakmod.com. And then on this site, guys, go to the search bar, type in JOI, press install. And before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, guys, from official App Store. So after we do this, guys, we should be rich. So let's see if it works. So yeah, it should work, guys. So we're going to find out. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So let's just give it a second to load. And we literally just got to download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download some of these, like Travel Town. Underdog says down run for 30 seconds. Then we got like Lucky Match, Scanner app. You guys search something up. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how I get it for your device. So it's super cool, guys. So if you're broke on this app, you can try out this mod and get rich. So as you can see, add coins. So yeah, fully working, guys. So try it out.